Previously on The Keith Chronicles.
That nasty porno I seen on your computer a couple years ago, and I was like, Miss Johnson. Y'all, that was traumatic for me. All right, anyway, putting a couple people together, turning a couple people out, because you know my best friend was a lesbian. I turned a lot of Lexington, y'all can thank me and my best friend. That's why all y'all lesbians now.
What's up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to the Keith Chronicles. So today, what we gonna do is have a mukbang, but we're gonna call it a drunk bang tonight. And what it's gonna consist of is I made some mustard fried chicken. Yeah. All right. So I got some ranch, Hidden Valley. I don't eat no other ranch but the Hidden Valley. I got some hot sauce. So we about to see, and this is the red hot. So we about to see. I'm about to tear this thing down. Ooh, and I have been eating all my chicken down like a black person. So I'm like really loving myself for that. And I got a little Jameson and ginger ale to wash it down. So if you are new here, thank you for tuning in. If you're tuning back in, thank you for tuning back in with me. You know I love you. It really means the bottom. It means to, yeah. All right, so we're gonna edit all that through. So. All right, so what we talking about? I'm about to eat this chicken. Can y'all hear me on the microphone? I don't know if y'all can hear me on the mic, but I got this mic right here. So let's go ahead and get this thing going. That is hungry. How's y'all's night been? You know, I like to peel my little chicken apart too. So we're gonna see. Man. Y'all crunchy. Damn. I got some chicken. No. What is one thing that your parents will be ashamed of you for doing if they found out about it? I don't know, I got a couple. Now I'm just trying to zero in on one of them, really. This chicken is good. I'm turning this chicken up. Huh. That's how you do that. Dating a broke man, so your parents will be ashamed of you dating a broke man. We got some garlic bread. Thank you, Jesus. All right, where we gonna set that? We're gonna have to let that thing cool down. So we're gonna just put that right there on the side. What made you do this at this hour? I'm just hungry. I'll be up, it's not that late here. It's probably like 12 or 1 or something, I don't know, but my ass just be up hungry. I feel like I just dropped all of my garlic bread and I'm pissed off right now. Okay, one piece landed on the counter, so we're gonna keep that. Yeah, all right, so now we're gonna try this with the ranch. Boy, I'm trying to tell y'all, get y'all, if you can't cook nothing else, make sure he can cook you some chicken. For real. Okay. Something that my parents would be ashamed of me for. Okay. I don't know if I've told many people this, but when I was like 21 and 22, I went down to New Orleans. All right, so yeah, look. So when I was like 21, 22, I went down to New Orleans, and when you go down to New Orleans, you go to Bourbon Street, you get the drinking, you get to do everything. So I'm down there. I took and I was drinking with it, and I thought I was cool. And then I remember going to the bathroom, and I thought I had the shit. So I pulled my pants down, and I sat on the toilet. And I was, because normally, I gotta put a sheet or something down on the damn toilet seat. So I sat on the toilet. The moment I sat on that toilet, I started throwing up. And then I hit on one knee. I said, my best friend and her mother, I just remember somebody like trying to pull me up, and I woke up. My best friend's mama was sitting right there pulling my pants up. So I was sitting there butt naked in front of my best friend's mama. She was pulling my pants up. And yeah, basically I mixed a Xanny with some alcohol and passed out at a bar on the toilet with the stall open, with my pants down. So yeah, that happened. And then also, like, I remember like getting back to the hotel, and then the moment I got off that elevator, I threw up on the trash can. And the next morning, I seen that nurse cleaning that shit up. I remember telling her, I was just like, some people can't handle Bourbon Street. She didn't know it was me. Yeah, that's a whole lot. Oh, you know what else happened in New Orleans? I don't know. Maybe I should save that. Maybe I should save that one for another video. Yeah. I was in there like, yeah. That fucking chicken, I don't even need no hot sauce, nothing more. Well, I was passed out. It was, I don't know, because it's not just my business to tell. I'm gonna say this. I have a best friend. Okay, hold on. Let's start with this. People in New Orleans, they kind of be on some, well, I'm not gonna say everybody, but I do know it's like a street hustle thing a lot of the times. So, people there like to hustle, lie, do whatever they can to get $1. And so I went there with my best friend and her mother. I'm not saying nobody's name because I'm not trying to put nobody's business out, but I went there with them, and there was a girl, like, they had been there many times before, so they were familiar with the bartender there. And the bartender, her name was Pocahontas. I don't know about that bitch. Her name was Pocahontas. If y'all ever have a bartender named Pocahontas in New Orleans that on Bourbon Street, run from that hoe. Anyway, so she's like, I just remember she like broke down crying, and cause she had seen my friend's mama just spending all kind of money, just cashing out. So she broke down crying. She was like, oh my God, somebody stole my wallet. I got my babies. I don't know how I'm gonna feed my kids. Blah, blah, blah. Damn. I think I ran out of memory over here. We're gonna see. Hold on. Oh, okay. So yeah, she was like, "Oh my God, how am I gonna pay my rent?" Like, whatever. So my friend's mom, who is like a mother to me because I've known her for like 20 years, gave this woman like $400, and so I remember, like, we were like, that was a good thing you did, $400. But the whole time I'm thinking, well, shit, you could have gave me that $400. Anyway, so me and my friend, we were at another we were at like a sex store, like a sex toy store, and she got a text from one of the employees there, because like I said, they had been there for a minute, and the employee was like, so Pocahontas was lying, she ain't lost her wallet, she was trying to get over on your mama, whatever. When I tell y'all, my friend, she ain't about that life like that for real, but I'm talking about levitated. She was like trying to get to this hoe. I was like, no, hold on. I was like, no, we cool, cause you know what? I don't want you getting shook up. So I went ahead. We went to this restaurant. Like, her mama was so distraught. Her mama was like, man, I'm so mad. Like, she was like, I'm so sad. And I was like, let's go get money. And so her mama was like, no, we're not gonna get the money. We're not gonna worry about that. Like, you know, she was basically doing that. And I was like, well, I'm gonna go get that motherfucking money, but I ain't gonna tell her. So we went to this restaurant. We were sitting down. We sat down. I told her, I was like, hey, I gotta go use the toilet. My stomach ain't feeling good. So I went and acted like I was going to the bathroom. I left my wallet on the table to make sure my ID was not on me, because I was not trying to get caught up in no bullshit. I walked from the restaurant back over to that bar. And I'm not gonna even lie, I was a little ashy. I had a little lotion in my pocket, so I remember slapping a little lotion on my ankles because I didn't want to go around looking crazy. But I walked up in there, I said, look, either you give that money back to me right now, or I'm gonna raise hell all through this. When I tell y'all, she slid that money in my hand and was like, I don't want no problems. I was like, you goddamn right. So I walked back up to the damn restaurant, threw the money on the table, and was like, here's your money. And then her mama gave it to me and her to split for the rest of the trip. So yeah, New Orleans has been fun. I was like, give my mama that money back. Ho. What is wrong with people? My little mukbang. It went down because I think I ran out of memory. I'm trying to tell you, y'all need to eat some of this chicken. That's where it's up. People are predators. They predators. And she wasn't gonna get her. Not on my watch. My friend, okay, don't nobody take offense to this. My friend's mom was white. So she wants to be like, no. And I was like, no. I've been knowing you since I've been 11, 12 years old. You've been like a mama to me. I'm getting that money back. I'm gonna put my hands on no female, but Pocahontas, I was about to slice that hoe about that money. That's a weird bone in it. I don't like the way that one's shaped. I ain't gonna finish that one. I don't like how it's shaped. People f***ed up. And I honestly felt kind of like the black superhero. I was like, bitch, run that money back over here. Before we really got some problems. I don't play. About the women in my life, I don't play. I goes to war. Did y'all notice how I feel? When I went down to get money back, I left my wallet on the table at that restaurant, so if I got locked up or if I had to run, my shit didn't drop and they wouldn't find it with me if I had to go it up. I'm just going to use this video for my mukbang. One of them. want some of this chicken. It's mustard fried. This is good. I made that shit. My lips are good. I'm calculating. What I'm calculating? Now listen, I probably got a few other things that my parents would be ashamed of. I had a couple stories in Florida for real. You know what? Actually, I think, I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to be that guy, but I think somebody drugged me when I was in Miami, like at the bar, because I ended up really fucked up. I ended up putting my hands on people. I ended up like somebody's home up. I woke up across a person's cabinet, like across their sink and shit. Like, it was crazy. I think somebody slipped something in my drink. And I don't remember who the guy was, but I remember the context, because he bought us a round of drinks. My chicken. I don't remember anything from the club to the house. When I got there, I remember all that, because I flipped out. Whew. Something about this mustard, boy. It hit. That thing ain't nothing. Well, get a little nasty. You put ranch and hot sauce on it. No. What about that little piece right up in there was real good. You gotta get up in there. Well, it's the mukbang, but mine's the drunkbang, cause I'm a little tipsy actually. Oh, I got a piece of garlic bread. Those edges is crispy. I about broke my goddamn tooth. I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. And I hope I pick up 10 pounds from this meal. I might as well tipsy for real, excuse me. Where the dogs, they are up and out my goddamn face. I can't deal with it tonight. My ex is coming to get my other doggy, my third doggy. I'm really sad about that. But it's really hard taking care of 3 dogs by myself. It's really, really, really hard. Well, I can't add you right now because I'm having my mukbang. I'm using this video for my YouTube, so I can't add you in here right now. What y'all want to talk about? Okay. What else? I made some mustard fried chicken. That thing good. Just look, I got lip gloss on because my chicken all that grease. Girl, get away from me while I'm eating. Love you. I love you, baby, but you gotta go. I'm eating. Go to your cage. Ooh. More stories. For more stories, go follow my YouTube. The link is in my bio, y'all. Go click that link in my bio and follow my YouTube channel. I got a plate of hot sauce right here. I got a plate of ranch. And sometimes that chicken be so good, you don't need none of them. You ever eat like so fast and so much you be out of breath? You be like, you can't justify why your ass out of breath. You just know your ass eating. I look drunk, don't I? But I'm not. See, I'm alert. No, I don't want no tartar sauce on there. I don't even eat tartar sauce on fish for real. Unless I'm in like a restaurant like Long John Silver's or Captain D. That tartar sauce at Long John Silver's, listen, I've never had crack. But I feel like the tartar sauce at Long John Silver's is the equivalent of what I would imagine crack to be. Yeah. Where's your TV? It's over there in the living room. I'm not in the living room. I'm in the den area. You see I got my plants and stuff. You see I got my humidifier going. That's cute, ain't it? Oh, Lord. Yeah, I don't know how much more of this chicken I'm gonna be able to eat. Which piece do I want? Sometimes you just gotta look and see which piece is gonna work best for you. And this piece spoke to me. Do I sound far away? I'm really mad about my other phone, dog. Even though I bitch on turtle. No, I deep fried that bad thing. Well, I medium fried it. Well, that's about all I got. Boom, apple and tea. You should be doing some boyfriend ASMR videos with a voice like that. I don't know what that is. I know ASMR, I don't know what the boyfriend is. Somebody told me I had a get a bitch pregnant voice one time. I think there's a validity to that. Ooh, I'm so... I don't know if it's because I'm getting old, but when I like look down at the camera for too long, my vision starts getting blurred and crossed. Probably because I'm getting old. I'm turning 40 next month. Damn. I don't need that kind of negativity. Alright, I'm gonna work this grease off my damn face. Some of it's bio oil, so alright. I just wanted to say that yesterday happened the way that it did, so today could happen the way that it should. I would also like to say that today happened the way that it did, so tomorrow could happen the way that it should. And anything that has happened to you, although it may sound bad or it may seem bad in the moment, it's all in the plan. And there will never be anything put in front of you that cannot be moved unless you allow it to. So I really want to leave y'all with that. I hope everyone has an amazing rest of your night. I really hope that if I've made you smile ever, I hope if I've ever made you laugh, if I've ever just made you feel any type of joy, I hope that you take that feeling and pass it around. I hope that that's something that you try to make everyone else feel, and just pay it forward. Anytime you can help somebody, help them. Give somebody a hug if they need a hug. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of The Keith Chronicle. Oh, 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 ooh, 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 ee, ooh, ooh, ee, oh. Hold on. Damn, I was trying to do a whistle note. I don't know. I feel like anytime you grab your ear, that automatically makes it a whistle note, because that's what Mariah be doing. She'd be like, yes. I think I was off like 1 or 2 keys. Kentucky to Arizona. I just felt like I wanted to share my story with people just so I can maybe shed some light, provide a little motivation, inspiration, whatever the case may be. Took online classes, took a school check, got that check, paid for a few months of my rent. God, y'all, honestly, I miss living in Kentucky because my last apartment there was like $500.